Ooh, that's a long way down. Not gonna lie, I'm a little weak in the knees. That mountain backdrop is amazing. Big fucking eagle. You can get down to it from the other side there. I say we go over there. Yeah. I think we're in Winset, and there's really amazing falls. So we just found something really quite amazing. We were just driving down towards Terrace and came into the little town of Winset and saw these amazing, well, we didn't know what they were at the time. We just thought it was amazing water.
It was a stop of interest, so we pulled over. I mean, it's the Moricetown Falls and Canyon, and it's so beautiful.
It's amazing. So much water.
The power of the water was amazing, and you can walk almost right down to them. Yeah.
It was weird when I was walking down, I saw these ropes attached into the rock, and we just found out they use those ropes to hang on to while they fish.
The First Nations that live in the area, yeah, they use an old hand netting technique, so that must be what those ropes are for, because at first we thought, what the heck? Like, you fall in that water, you're not coming back out.
No, that is really far, far too strong. But wow, that was so cool, so cool, so cool.
It really was. And apparently, so we're a little early for them to go fishing, but when I brought up some information on it, apparently late June to mid-July is the best time. They have Chinook salmon that come up here, and that's when we would see the First Nations in the area using that hand netting technique to catch salmon. So cool.
That would have been neat to see too.
So cool. Oh well.
Wow. That is a crazy amount of water. Holy. Coming for a nice close look at this.